RefWorks For Literature Review. If you are tackling a literature review and wondering how to manage your references effectively, you are in the right spot. Let's talk about how RefWorks can help you streamline this process. RefWorks is a web-based reference management tool that is designed to make your life easier when it comes to organizing and citing sources. Starting with the basics, RefWorks allows you to create a personal database of references. You can import citations directly from online databases, library catalogs, or even from PDF and Word documents. This feature significantly reduces the need for manual entry and keeps everything organized in one place. You can sort your references into folders or use tags to categorize them by topic or author, making it easy to find what you need. One of the standout features of RefWorks For Literature reviews is its ability to format citations and bibliographies automatically. Whether you need American Psychological Association, Chicago, or Modern Language Association styles, RefWorks has you covered. This saves you time and ensures that your citations are consistent throughout your work. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with word processors like Microsoft Word and Google Docs. You can insert citations and generate reference lists as you write, which is a huge time saver. RefWorks is user-friendly, making it accessible for students at all levels. Its simple interface is easy to learn, so you can start using it right away. Features like document recognition can extract bibliographic data from uploaded files, and the drag-and-drop functionality allows you to add references quickly. While some automatic data extraction may need verification for accuracy, these features help streamline the process of gathering sources. Since RefWorks is cloud-based, your references are stored online. This means you can access your work from any device with internet connectivity. This is especially helpful for students who may be working across different locations or devices. However, keep in mind that you will need an internet connection to use it, as offline access is not available. From a productivity standpoint, RefWorks supports collaboration. You can share reference folders with peers or advisors, which is particularly useful during group projects or when you need feedback on your literature review. In summary, RefWorks is a practical tool for managing the often complex task of literature reviews. It helps you gather, organize, and cite sources efficiently, reducing manual work and minimizing citation errors. Its ease of use and cloud accessibility make it a great fit for students looking to improve their research productivity and maintain organized, well-cited literature reviews.